Hi, we're here to talk about podium usage here at South Puget Sound Community College. The first thing we want to say is it's really important to try out the system in the classroom in which you will be teaching. And if you're teaching in multiple classrooms, you need to try all of those out. It's important to do this before the quarter starts because not all classrooms are the same. IT is trying to work to make sure everything has the same functionality, but it might look different. Therefore, it is really important to try it before the quarter starts. So this is the general user interface. We also call it a GUI. If you ever walk into the classroom and you notice that the GUI is dark, simply tap it and then touch here to start. Once you've touched it, you should see the screen light up. If you ever walk in and it's pitch black, simply touch it and it should light up. Once the GUI has lit up, you do want to choose projector on to make sure that it will project what you're trying to see on your screen. If you ever notice that it's not showing up, then you'll double check that the computer PC is on. And if for some reason the screens are still dark, you might want to check the screens themselves. So once you have the GUI turned on, you have several different display options. Most of our classrooms here happen to have three main ones. The first one is the PC, which will allow anything that's projected from the PC to the screen onto your projector, everyone can see it. Then second one is the document camera. When you select that one, you'll notice, because it says document camera, and that allows you to place things under the document camera that can again be projected onto both your PC screen as well as the projector screen. The final one we have here is the auxiliary HDMI. That happens to be part of this cable right here, this HDMI. You'll know it says HDMI cable. And that allows someone to hook up their SPSCC laptop and use that instead of the PC or the document camera. If you ever come into the classroom and you notice that the screen on your PC looks blank or black, you will probably want to come over and check your display option. It might be because the person in front of you used the HDMI cord and you just simply need to turn it back to the PC display option. To use the document camera, simply turn on the button on the right. Take a look to make sure that the light is green. You'll see the camera light up. And then up above, you will need to make sure that the bulb is also turned on. That will allow it to project. If you ever decide to do some filming in the CTOL, you'll notice that the document camera in that area looks much different. It's a more updated version. The instructions, how to use them, the power buttons are on the side. The CTOL is equipped with some really cool cameras that actually will capture the room from multiple angles. You're able to zoom in and zoom out. You can use these controls to also re-angle the camera. The one thing to be aware of is to use the camera in the CTOL, you will need to make sure the projector is turned off. If you're ever in the classroom and you realize you need to make sure you can log on without using a phone, you can get a bio key from our IT services. The bio key is set up for you to be able to use as a pass key. You'll go to the PC, plug it into this USB port, and then once you've logged into the computer, you've given it your PIN, you simply touch the bio key and you are logged in. Logging into the Podium to use Canvas at South Puget Sound does require your Clipper ID, otherwise known as your SPSCC password, email and password. It also requires a two-factor authentication, which could either be your phone or a tablet or an external security key. That bio key asks for you to enter a security PIN, and then you will be touching your security key to go ahead and log into the Podium. The volume controls are really important in your classroom. Arrow up, the volume gets louder. Arrow down, the volume gets softer. Non-flashing means the mute is inactive, and if you push that and it's red, you're cut off. Another option for volume, if it's too loud or too soft, is to double check on your actual display screen. You'll choose the little icon that looks like it is a volume thing, and you can play with that up or down. You can also click the X to have it muted. Two other buttons that are very important when you're teaching are the video mute and the video freeze. The video mute button allows for you to mute the screen so that it is completely dark and students will not be able to see what you are doing on the computer behind the screens. If it is all white, it does show. The video freeze allows you to freeze what's on the screen, and then you can come to the computer, do other things, and remember when students are wanting to see what's on your screen that you have to unfreeze it so that they can actually see what you're doing. Sometimes you need to know what's happening with your dual monitor display. Go to the Start, choose Settings, choose System. On the display, you can rearrange them. If you decide that you want to switch the order of the screens, just make sure you click Apply. 5, 5, 4, 4. IT emergency, come quick! So now you know how to use the Podium. You have all the tips and tricks and hopefully some troubleshooting. Don't forget to call 5544 if you have any emergencies.